Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the interior map light bulbs in a 2011 Ford F-150. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. You've got two map lights in the front here and this little cabin door for like sunglasses, but you'll have two little clips right here, one there and one there. So I like to take a pocket screwdriver and release one side, then release the other side. Just got to work it back and forth. There's two stages to it. And then I'm just going to grab it and pull it down. This clips in the front. Now I have access to both of them, and I've got the cable. So I'm going to disconnect this cable, the electrical connector, push that tab in, and pull it. Now the bulbs are cool. They're not going to get burnt when I release this. Some people will just take this stuff off with the vehicle, with this whole thing plugged in. You can do that too, but they get pretty warm. So I like my fingers where they are. So after examination of this, there's really no easy way to get at these bulbs. So it wouldn't surprise me if Ford sells this whole piece just for a bad bulb, which doesn't sit fine with me. So we're going to take this thing apart with a small screwdriver and be careful because everything's plastic. So I'm just going to start pushing on tabs. I've got two tabs here. Should take this lovely trim off. And there you go. Just one quick pull. So that's going to come out. I'm not going to use anything like this. I wouldn't do that because that's going to crack the glass and make a mess everywhere. And that is experience talking. So I'm just going to take the tin part off carefully, like that. Beautiful. Set that aside. And now we have the bulbs exposed. Pull them out. Those are 194 bulbs. Same thing as a license plate. You see how they sit in there, the prongs, the metal on metal this way? Push them back in. Both are identical the same way. Now I'm just going to put that tin piece back. It's really thin, so it's easy to bend to the wrong way, so just be careful. Now we're going to put this piece back together. Got all these beautiful plastic tabs. Line them up, just start squeezing. No rattles. Now we're going to plug it back in. So there's the plug right there. The lock mechanism in the out. Snaps. Fish that wire back up in there. And then just line all the tabs up. Push up. You're going to need the pen, this pocket screwdriver, because you got to pull these tabs and push it right in there. Close that, and we open the door, and the map lights come on.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.